前夜，我们要帮它找到主人。
我不知道，我是说，你们快看看它现在的样子，它身上似乎有很严重的个性问题。
我才不关心这个。
Tonight's the night when miracles take place. For every pup, there's got to be some kid he can embrace. A person to make him be as happy as you and me. Come on, let's make this right. All right?
当然好，
'Cause he's a